Here we go, guys. We are back. Welcome back with Coin Ace, man. A lot to talk about today with gold, with the market. What's going on with everything? What are we expecting today? Today is Monday, it's a new start. And we can't wait. I hope you guys are doing or had a wonderful weekend. Let's check here if everything is working. And man, oh man, what a weekend. All right. So how are you guys doing? Welcome back, guys. It's great to be here. We're gonna start right away into it. First of all, of course, we're gonna start talking about the Dow Jones and S&P 500. Looks like the S&P 500, the pre-market, is gonna open up big ones today. As the DAX, for the DAX today, not a lot going on, just moving sideways. Did open a little bit down right here, now it's just moving sideways. And for the RTY, still waiting on this guy. Man, it feels like forever here on RTY, and hopefully we're gonna start seeing something going on with the RTY. As for Nvidia, looks like the pre-market gonna open a little bit in plus. It was after this massive sell-off, moving sideways, rolled back up as a retracement, and now it went back to the lows. We could have some rotation here going on in the market. Been waiting for this rotation actually since a while. Very positive to see the market having this kind of rotation. As for Apple, a little bit of positive, and of course the people favorite is gold right here, as this massive rejection that happened here at the high, it was very close to hit the all-time high right here. You can see this big wig. We are on the 1 hour time frame here. You can see this big wick that here that occurred right here, and it just, the market just rejected after a very volatile work that happened here on Friday, and now it went back to the low. What I'm actually waiting is it's gonna enter this buy side imbalance order block right here in this box, and that's what I'm waiting for here. Or that was just your double tap liquidity testing, but so far it looks like it is in the sideways position right here, in small sideways position on gold. Could looking for bottom, looking for strengths. Could we have this violent back, like rejection here into the box, so it can filled with buy liquidity? That's what I'm gonna watch today, because I do want to jump in the market as I see this opportunity happening. Same here as in silver. Look at how respecting this line right here as support. So we are seeing a lot happen after the silver got rejected from the moving average right here. It was on the 4 hour time frame. The rejection came from the moving average. You can see first here it poked massive sell volume right here after it closed above, and then it just like massive rejections that put it way down at the lows right here. But it's still, you can see on the 4 hour time frame, really respecting this line right here as support and building strengths. But today is Monday, and we want to see what's gonna happen, what's gonna work out today in the market, because I am really watching the market very close, and I wanna know how it's gonna play out, how we gonna jump in on that. A massive opportunity, of course. This big rejection right here always present a big opportunity, and that's what we wanna see right here. You see the US oil right here. Big rejection here after it tried for the double tap. Now it's just like moving down, and you can see this bearish momentum that's just building. That's a very, very bearish downtrend right here, bouncing back down, bouncing back, and again really building this bearish. There's a downfall right here. So hopefully it's gonna find its bottom very soon. We definitely need a bottom here on the US oil. Let's go back for gold here. I can see the volume was a little bit up here with the buy pressure that happens on gold. Take with us right here. We gotta watch it very closely, especially at this area, especially with what's happening with the volume here. Wanna see if it's really gonna go back to the box. I'm very eager, and I hope you guys are doing good. I see Mike here in the chat. Morning, everyone. Morning, man. Man, hope you guys survived this violent, this violent sell-off that happened on Friday. Did not like how they did it on Friday. Really, tried to push up all the time here on gold. But it was nothing. Let me check the 4-hour time frame on that. It's still in a massive sideways position. And you can see the strengths on this box here. The first wick. We do have a pressure here. It's definitely an buy side imbalance, an active order block here, and it looks, from what I see from it, it looks huge. And this box is not just like a massive buy volume waiting here, because it's also back testing the previous all-time high and back testing the support level right here. You can see it right here, and that's what I like about it. And I want to see if it's gonna really enter again right here, because silver is somehow holding this support line right here. So we are seeing some opportunity happening, and you can't wait for that, man. I can't wait for that. But like I said, Friday did not join the chaos. We are after the chaos right here, and just waiting for the right entry, for the right position, so we can jump in and start hitting the good stuff. I hope the stream is going smooth right here. Somehow on YouTube it's very heavy for the live stream. I hope it's not keep cutting off. Let's talk a little bit on Bitcoin, see what's going on with the cryptocurrency right here. The total market cap, you can see sell off, trying to hold, total 2, which is excluding Bitcoin, of course, and we have total 3 right here, which is the entire cryptocurrency excluding Bitcoin and Ethereum. So we basically have the low cap alt. And from what I see here on the screen, nothing big going on really. It looks like normal sideways, a little bit of buy volume, not that big. Some coins are going down, like Filecoin, but Filecoin's been suffering since a while here actually. And the thing is on Bitcoin, let's hit the chart. The thing is on Bitcoin, have to hold here, and I guess that's what I'm waiting for, to hold right here. And still it doesn't want to reject from here actually. I think Bitcoin love the price between 50 and 70k, just moving sideways since forever in this zone, and somehow it's not ready. It's really not ready to go out yet, but very soon something have to happen. Changing to my Chromebook. Ah, okay. You just jumped on the laptop. I hope it's better like this. Well, at some point, I see some rotation happening in the market, which I mean the crypto market, of course. Ethereum been really suffering after getting this massive rejection, this massive sell-off. You can see all this got massively affected with it. Ethereum it was about to break out to a new all-time high, but got rejected, of course. I mean, it hit 4K, and right here, this top was on a Fibonacci retracement that got massively rejected from it. If it was a little bit, if it went a little bit, it would have been just let's go. But you can see rejected from the Fibonacci here, here, and then bam. Now we are all the way down. Amazing opportunity in our financial advice, of course, but we gotta wait when the cryptocurrency will start and saying, hey, it's time and I'm gonna do it right here and right now. And that's what we are waiting for, especially with gold all the way at this high, really massively up. Gold, everybody's talking about that, and we are waiting for it if it's gonna hit a fresh new all-time. It got very close on Friday, then got rejected. A lot of people got trapped actually right here at this high, and now it just went back to a sideways position where it actually was here. Like nothing happened, you know, like they put it back where it used to be here. So basically it's like this part did not happen. Yeah, jumped up, trapped people, went back down to a sideways position right here, and people got trapped right here because everybody was like, it's gonna hit new all-time high, it's gonna keep going, fake out, and then it went back because the news was strong on this one. What I'm waiting is for, of course, when the New York session opened, then we're gonna have some answer, and I'm waiting for this if it's gonna go back, revisit the box right here, because the opportunity is here. So far it is of course below the moving average, and you can see how it was reacting the moving average as support right here and as resistance here and here. And the question is, will it act as resistance again? You can see here a massive resistance area right here on the moving average, and that's on the 1 hour time frame. It's gonna act again as resistance or support, and there you can see right here back testing the moving average before it really says let's go and have a massive push up. So it is gold, the price is reacting a lot on the moving average. Definitely should be checking it out. For the volume is still very low today. Of course the New York session will change all that and gonna have a big impact on it. But for me, I am waiting here to see if it's gonna enter the box or it's not gonna enter the box. Is it gonna leave fast? Is it gonna get rejected from the moving average? Just like in here, is it gonna build a like a bit of resistance area before it really breaks out from the moving average? So all that we can see it rejected from here, went back to the box. Then we have an opportunity here to just enter because we know what's waiting here. Everything is in this box. Just buy volume, buy. Not from me, from Massive Institute, that they are protecting the price in this area, which we can get benefit of it, of course. I mean, when we recognize a buy side imbalance, an active order block, depends how big it is, then we can always set our target. Ah, Michael, hey, welcome guys. Hope you are doing good. As for later news on, I am also preparing, I am actually working on a new TikTok account. We will be also going live on it because I want to push it up. It will be finished very soon, and then we will be going live on it. But the main one will stay the main one, and all my entries in the market will stay on the main account, of course, on TikTok. But we will have a new one, and we will be going live on it. because I feel like YouTube doesn't make a lot. I can't like really uh, chat with you guys and have fun. And for the GPP, GPY, as I previously talked about, I am waiting for the spring right here, and you can see it is accumulating, and that's Wyckoff accumulation. Not sure what schematic already, probably schematic 1, but you can see now looks like it found its bottom, but if it's schematic 1, it's gonna hit another bottom, and it's gonna go, if it was schematic 2, it's not gonna hit a new bottom, it will be a little bit short, and that will be your spring, and then it's gonna start to go out. But man, what a push down, man, what a big rejection from here all the way down. People get tired when it hit this low. People was like, we're not gonna touch it because we got tired of this massive fall, and non-stop keep falling and falling again and again. That's how the market sometimes do it. Really, just squeeze everything out of you, and it just won't stop. And but at some point it will recover. Everything will recover at some point. Does not matter. I've seen a lot of stocks going down or crypto, and everybody was like, it's game over, right? That's it. No more recovery, but it always recover. Patience should be the key here. I check on a 1 minute time frame here. It's still the volume. Looks like here it hit its peak now, just going down. High volume sideways is always not good. It means there's too much pressure from the selling part and the buying part, and then you just stick in the middle and then create this sideways. Or you can see it, big sideways action here on the 1 minute time frame. 1 hour time frame still stuck here below the moving average. I wanna see if it's really gonna enter the zone. That could be our entry target right here. If it's gonna enter the zone, could be our target. If it's gonna hit the moving average, could be our target. If it's gonna break out from the moving average, could be our target. You can see a lot of different targets happening here, and the New York session will confirm what's gonna happen. Of course, could just move sideways here, and you say, okay, nothing happened today, and then we just hit it by tomorrow, and then we just jump to other assets. Let me see here. The S&P was okay. The pre-market is still going up. You can see really up today. Wonder where it's gonna close. My question. You can see here moving average acted as resistance, try to act as support, but it just reject. So I want to see where the S&P 500 gonna close today, because the candle close today will tell us a story. That's for sure. We wanna know where the story gonna hit. And AMC pre-market is down, but that's that just like, man. Yeah, that's the pre-market gonna hit up. So we can see shift in the market right here. Or about the US dollar index, massive, I wouldn't say massive recovery. I want to say massive chaos from the wicks right here. Especially the first candle, and that's a massive chaos. Especially from the first one. Look at that liquidation from both sides. So if people were shorting, got kicked out. People were going long, they got kicked out. People got kicked out from both sides. And after the massive chaos that happened in the next hour and the next hour, and then the price just died on the weekend, and then now it's just have this small pullback, but people got massacred and here and on this part really. That's why I can never get involved in this kind of chaos. There's no survivor in this chaos. No, not with this high volume, not with this high chaos, which you have no idea where the price is gonna go. it basically always go in the middle, but the wicks on that, the price action, huge, really huge. And Michael is saying there's no red fall. There's no red folder news. So okay, expect much volume today. Probably people get tired on Friday. I mean, remember what happened on the US dollar, what happened in crypto, what happened in S&P, what happened on gold on Friday. People got massacred. People got tired from this wicks, and they just wanna watch the market today. I think that's the aim from a lot of people. One of them, I thought if the volume gonna reverse right away on Monday, but so far it doesn't look like it. I will probably jump in on a trade on gold, but I don't know. It could move sideways. I don't want to get stuck with the sideways and then have a massive fall. So that's what we're gonna see right here. What it's gonna do, what people gonna do, what the traders gonna do. They definitely got tired on Friday from this massive chaos. Let's talk more about. I want to say something about silver, but let's talk more about gold and